Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with Creaky Chair. We've got to get out of Babylon. I got a new product I wanted to try out, and it's Flatiron Pepper Company out of Colorado, Arvada, Colorado. Flatiron, there's a ridge back there or something like that. I don't know what it's called, but anyway. So this is a gift set with 4 different peppers. Supposedly I got one in a bottle that was loose in there. I'm going to see what's in here. This is supposed to be a grinder, and I think 3, maybe 4 peppers. They have a total of 12, and do an unboxing here, sort of. I unboxed the other thing. It was just a cardboard box with a wrapping. So there's, yeah, 3 bottles here, and then they got another one. This was loose in there, and several little packets like this, like mouthburn.com or something like that. They say you'll never go back to regular peppers the rest of your life. Where's my glasses? I don't have my glasses anyway. So, 4 pepper. It has arbol, ghost pepper, jalapeno, and habanero. And this one is, I can't read it without my glasses. It's a little two little slices. That's pause. All right, so back at it here. Must have a magnet. Yeah, it's got a magnet closure. So what else we got here? We got a, that's when I said arbol, ghost, habanero, and jalapeno. And then this one is Hatch Big Jim, Hatch Sandia, jalapeno, and habanero. And this one is heavier, chipotle, ancho, and habanero. Dark and smoky. That's going to be a good one. And then the grinder. This grinder is just made to, it just breaks it up, basically. And every one of the bottles will fit in here, supposedly. Screw a bottle in there and you're good. It doesn't pulverize, it just rips it. Kind of like an herbal ripper. So. But I love companies like this that are forward thinking and thinking outside the box, but they have 12 different types of bottles. I want to get all of them eventually. Let me see if there's something in here that lists them all, maybe. Nope. Anyway, you go to their website, Flatiron Pepper Company. You'll never go back to red pepper flakes again. FlatironPepper.com. I want to just give them a shout out, and really nice little kit here. The big one, this is a small gift set, and then the big gift set has 8 peppers, I believe, and there's a kit that has all 12 of them. No grinder. The bigger gift has the grinder, and I think 8 peppers, and the big one has all the peppers and no grinder. So there's like 3 gift sets. I like to get one of all of them and try them out. So I'll keep you posted as to how. I like the one I've been using on everything I'm eating. It's hot, but if you get it with enough food, it just increase your taste buds. Here's one thing I've heard years ago for all you preppers out there, or people that want to survive. I heard this at one time. I haven't ever verified it, but the United States Special Forces carry a lot of cayenne in their kits, because if they have to eat a snake or a lizard or a frog or something, or a dead thing, they hammer it with cayenne. Russian Special Forces Spetsnaz carry curry, a really hot curry, that kills bacteria, viruses, and parasites. So it makes sense to me. So the more hot stuff we eat, the better, healthier you'll be, and the better chance you'll have of surviving. And if you're a prepper, you should eat hot stuff. You should also eat fermented stuff, like kimchi, basically sauerkraut, Korean sauerkraut. Not too terribly hot, but it's spicy. It's really tasty. I love it. I eat it with eggs. I eat it with chili. I eat it with stew. I eat it with everything. And I can sit that there forever, and it will never go bad. You don't have to have refrigeration. Kefir, never refrigerate it. And kefir goes into your colon. Yogurt only has some good probiotics, but it doesn't get through the stomach because the stomach acids kill everything in all the cultures that are in yogurt. But in kefir, it gets through your stomach into the colon, and it'll keep your colon healthy. So started eating that kimchi, I thought this is going to add about 20 years to my life. That's how I felt. And this stuff will help too. So eat hot stuff. Just get used to it. You hear me? Okay, this is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant.